What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one. What's going on, guys? What's going on? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. You know what today is? DIY Wednesdays. Yes, sir. Today's the day to get her done. So, what we gonna be doing today? Y'all probably wondering, like, what you got for us today, King? You know what I'm saying? Got something. You know what I got for you? What we just showed y'all on Monday. That's what we got for you guys. We got the skid plate. We're gonna be putting a skid plate on, so you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna show y'all too much on it because we just showed you on Monday. So if you're a subscriber and you seen Monday's video, you know what we about to show you. We took a look at it on Monday and showed you what it's all about. We asked you if you wanted to get the install video. Somebody had to say yes. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually recording this video before I even put that video out, so I don't know if someone said yes, but if you did say yes, this video is for you, specifically for you. All right? So let's get to it. So what I did was at first, I went to the instructions. I checked out the instructions online to see what I had to do. On the bottom, we got a plate to remove. There's a factory skid plate that's already there, it's plastic. We're gonna be taking that one out. You take that one out, you get rid of the screws. You got another skid plate on the front. You're just gonna take, there's 3 rivets that go on the top. You're gonna remove 3 of those rivets. One of them you're gonna get rid of because you're gonna replace that with a bolt. The other 2 you're gonna hook back in. But you're gonna have to pull that rivet down to put the little couple of pieces in there. So let's get down here. I'm gonna show you what's going on. All right. All right, guys, so we got our skid plates here. So we got this one here. This one here is gonna go on the front. This one comes with a bolt that's gonna go here. So at the spot that the rivet is for this, where this bolt's gonna go, you're gonna take that rivet out. That rivet's gonna it's gonna be gone forever. And then there's a bar down there. That's why you're gonna loosen that front skid plate. And we're gonna put these on there because these are gonna get screwed to there like that. That's gonna hold the front of that skid plate. So we have 2 of these. We have 2 hex bits. They take T27s we're gonna be using for those. 10mm nuts that go on the top of those. Then this right here, this big bolt is a 14mm. And then on the back, we have, there's a plastic one that covers the back of your bike there. You gotta take that one off. They're 8mm screws. You're gonna disregard those screws. And then we have new screws that go in here, and these are also 8mm. So let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, so the first rivet we're gonna be taking out, this rivet here. Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be removing this rivet eventually, but we're gonna do the back one first, just because we don't want to have the front one in front of here. So if you look right here, this is a sensor right there. So that's one of the things that doesn't come covered up factory, but we're gonna be putting a cover to block that. And actually, this is the other cover right here. This big black thing here, that's the other cover there. So we're gonna be taking out these 2 8mm screws right here in the back of here. I'm using a ratchet wrench, makes it a little easier for me. And you can discard these screws. You don't need these. Both of those out. And then we have one here. We have one here. You guys see that? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna use a socket for that one because you can't get the ratchet wrench in there. And then we have one more right on the opposite side. Right about there, guys. All right, so that's how you remove that first one. Now we're gonna take, Alright guys, so we're going to be removing this right here, and this is the old one, this is the new one, and that's the difference. That's what they're looking like. Actually, it goes this way. That's the way. So a little bit more protection around the sides. Around the sides for debris to come up there and stuff like that. So it goes on this way right here. This way right here. 2 screws in the front, and then we got the 2 that go right there. So we're just gonna line this up. Let's start it.
So before it starts recording, it'll show you. So you can line it up where you want it. Then you start recording, it's not gonna show up. You stop it.
Is that new? Mine shows it all the time. I can watch. Yeah, I can watch the whole thing. And one on the last side, guys. 8mm, tighten them down. That's it. You want to make sure, guys, that you don't over tighten these screws because you are putting it into plastic. So you don't over tighten those. This last one here, you gotta use a vacuum. You can't get in there with the. Alright, now we're going to use our trusty dusty clip puller. Pop this clip out here. And then we have 2 clips on the sides that we have to take off. There's one here. One clip here. Loosen this one up. Take that one out, and on the same opposite side, do this clip. See it from there. Alright guys, so we got the clip that was here and the one and exactly on the other side. We got the one that was in the middle here. And so you're supposed to be able to pull this down just a little bit, just so you can slide those. You gotta pull that down just a little bit so you can slide these things right here in there. And you're gonna have the flat spot pointing towards the bottom. So probably actually don't even have to take out those screws. Those are clips on the sides because it can slide without even removing those. Okay. All right, now we're gonna line it up with the big screw there, and we're gonna start screwing that screw in. So the hole that you're screwing this into, it's not a threaded screw. So this screw is like a self-tapping screw, and it's threading it for you because it was just a clip inside that hole before. So it takes a little bit of muscle to turn it, but not too much. But we can get it in there nice. It's pretty easy. Get it lined up how we need her. Up nice there. Make sure before we tighten her up, we're gonna get our other screws started and lined up just to make it so we can have room to move around. So I'm putting the screw in now onto the all right. All right, so now we got that one on there, and we're gonna use a 10 millimeter to hold the bolt at the top, and we're gonna use a 27T to tighten her up. All right, now we got that tight. We're gonna repeat that step to the other side, and then we're gonna tighten up this middle bolt here. All right, so what I did was, like I told you, I put those two things on either side. I didn't really record you doing the other side because I had to take the jack down, go to the other side, jack it up. But what I did is, I did the same way I did the first side. Y'all saw that. The two plastic clips that I took out the sides, put those back in because those gotta go back in. And that was it. Tighten up the middle bolt. That was it. We're done. So now, that little sensor that I showed you, I had no protection, had nothing. Now I got some protection, you never know. Haven't seen too many people say they had any problems with that hitting something or anything, but problem prevented before it even happened, you know what I'm saying? This right here, junk. Look at this little plastic junk. That wasn't gonna protect nothing. They had plastic protecting plastic, you know what I'm saying? Like this was over a piece of plastic. You know what I'm saying? Plastic. Yeah, oh look at that shit, did scrape something. I wonder if something to scrape that, huh? Plastic covering plastic, not a good idea. I got metal now, so. Aluminum. All right, guys. So y'all just seen it install for the skid plate for the Can Am Ryker. That's a 2021 mod that they came out with. That didn't come out in the 2020s. They came out for the 2021s. I've been wanting this since it came out. You've seen it here first. I don't think I've seen any videos of this getting put on. You? Let me know in the videos if you've seen any videos of this being put on. You did? I'm gonna erase this video right now. Psych. All right, guys. Make sure you hit the website. Make sure you KingJoffyJoe413.com. Make sure you like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Comment, share. See y'all guys in the next one. Peace.